Are you confused with what apps to have on your phone? क्या आप confused हो कि मेरे मोबाइल फोन में क्या apps होने चाहिए? Are you also one of them that you just download an app because someone else has told you? किसी ने बोला कि ये app अच्छा तो आपने download किया. Are you one of them that you just have an app and it is just consuming the space on your phone? Well, we have a good news for you. We are going to tell you आज टॉप 7 एप्स जो आपके लिए यूजफुल होगा. एंड आपको अगर ऐसे लगता है कि देयर इज अ न्यू ऐप आउट देयर दैट वी नीड टू नो, यू कैन कमेंट इन द सेक्शन देयर, बिकॉज इफ यू डू अनदर वीडियो ऑन एप्स वी विल डेफिनेटली यूज योर कमेंट एंड मेक another video of why that app should be on the top list of everyone's phone. Also, if you are looking at being a part of 30 60 90, we have a good news for you. We have merchandise t-shirts of 30 60 90 सब एंगल से लेंगे. और आज हम ऐसा टॉपिक लेने वाले हैं जो कि है apps, because today we are going to tell you how apps can play a big role in your life. तो स्टार्ट करते हैं विद टॉप 7 एप्स दैट कैन हेल्प यू in your daily life. Starting with number 7, the first app that we all need to have on our phone is the Google Pay, GPay. You know, जब मैं कहीं भी जाता हूँ, कोई भी दुकान में भी जाता हूँ, किधर भी जाता हूँ, तो लोग यही कहते हैं कि सर एक स्टिकर है जो कि बारकोड है, आप गूगल पे कर सकते हो. एंड ऑल्सो इट इज मच सेफर बिकॉज इंस्टेड ऑफ कैरिंग अ लॉट ऑफ कैश इन योर वॉलेट एंड गोइंग टू प्लेसेस, इट्स मच बेटर दैट यू कैन जस्ट टेक योर फोन and you can scan looking at the barcode and the payment is done. And the best part about apps like GPay is you also get reward points, you also get cash back in your wallet. So it's nice that sometimes when you मतलब आप जब ट्रांसफर करते हो तो आपको कभी कभी 5 रुपए भी मिलता है, 6 रुपए भी मिलता है, कभी कभी टिकट भी मिलता है कहीं जाने का. So GPay is something that also rewards you back. Google Pay, Google Wallet is something that you need to download on your phone and take India even more digital. Well, before I tell you app number 6, यार इनको देखो, फोटोज पे फोटोज लेते जा रहे हैं, ये फोटोज पे फोटोज. अच्छा, फोटोज के बाद तो देखो यार ये वीडियोस भी बनाने वाले हैं अभी. क्या बात है. चलो भाई, आपके फोन के कैमरा ने तो फोटो कैप्चर कर लिया, वीडियो भी कैप्चर कर लिया, पर ये फोटो और वीडियो का करोगे क्या? पूछिए इनसे, नहीं पता इनको भी. वेल, अब मैं इनको बताने वाला हूँ. यूज Snapseed. Snapseed is a product by Google. It is an app which will be on your phone where you can edit your photos, you can also edit your videos, and you want to put it on social media platforms like a Facebook, Instagram, wherever, YouTube. You want to put it quick. You don't have to go and meet a friend or an editor. You have it in your phone. Now they know it. Now they're going to click more pictures. They're going to spread a lot of smiles and love, and definitely you're going to see a lot of their postings coming out with photos and videos edited on Snapseed. App number 5 that you need to have on your phone, ये सच्चा ऐप है क्योंकि इसने तो मेरा लाइफ सॉर्ट किया. This is the Truecaller app. Well, it is being noticed a lot of youngsters have the Truecaller app, but a lot of older generation, where I'm talking of the age group of 50 plus, do not have this app on their phone. It is a very very important app because this app gives you a data where जो किसी ने भी कॉल किया, at least you get to know the one thing about the app is the person who's calling you. Authenticity मालूम पड़ता है आपको. दूसरा आपको ये मालूम पड़ता है कि अगर किसी ने कॉल किया हो आपको तो ये फेक है, स्पैम है, हर एक चीज आप ट्रैक कर सकते हो बिफोर द कॉल. इफ यू आर इन अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट डिस्कशन और आपको जब कॉल आता है और जब वो कॉल होता है it is a fake call, you get angry. So you know what? Truecaller always gives you the details of yes, this is an authentic caller on your phone. This is a fake caller on your phone. It is your duty to make sure that your parents probably should also have this app on their phone so that they are aware for the person who calls them, they know who is that person. That is the magic of Truecaller. App number 4 is partying. Check him out. Check him out. He's partying, he's chilling, and you know what he's listening to while he's alone? YouTube Music. Yes, आपको अगर पता है YouTube तो आप आते हो वीडियोस देखने, but YouTube also has YouTube Music. Now YouTube Music gives you a variety of genre. Like for example, अगर आप रॉक के फैन हो तो आप रॉक सुन सकते हो, EDM, hip hop. Also, it's a free app that you can have on your phone. We have also found that there are less ads on YouTube Music, so it is a very good thing to have YouTube Music, so you can listen to your music without any disturbance or any ads on it. So YouTube Music is something that you can have. और आप अकेले हो तो obviously don't be lonely, because now you can party like him. The third app that you need to have on your phone is the Money Control. Check out the Money as, yeah, the Money Control. They have a lot of money. Google Pay से पे किया, पर अब आपको पैसा तो चाहिए. So Money Control can help you grow your wealth. क्योंकि ऐसे ऐसे notifications आते हैं which are related to finance that can get you updated in your day-to-day life. And if you want to get into stock markets or learn more about mutual funds, learn more about SIPs, you want to learn about things that are happening in our country on finance, the one app that probably we suggest is Money Control. कहते हैं ना, if you're equipped with Lakshmi, Lakshmi will come to you. App number 2, Google Fit. Well, you know what? एक को देखो extremely unfit, दूसरे को देखो इतना fit. Well, you know इसका secret क्या है? Carl uses Google Fit, and now Carl is going to teach Sahil on how to use Google Fit. Google Fit gives you customized details of fitness. Like for example, it has health tips, it gives you coaching tips, it gives you fitness tips, it helps you organize your fitness goals. Well, कहते हैं ना, पैसा तो अपने कमाया, but the one thing that is very important is your body, because health is well. Now, before we tell you the number one app, we want you to subscribe to our channel. Hit that bell icon. Subscribe karo and hit that bell icon. And you have to also comment of the videos that you want from us. We have different categories on our channel. We have the travel, food, lifestyle. This category that you are seeing is the infotainment category. We also are planning to launch our entertainment category solely. So we want you to comment कीजिए और बताइए what do you want to hear from team 30 60 90. Also a reminder, we have merchandise t-shirts of 30 60 90. Well, when you buy the 30 60 90 t-shirts, all you're doing is you're supporting creators like us. When you support creators like us, it only motivates us and it only boosts us to go much more further and bring you great content. So the details of the t-shirt is also mentioned in the description box. Check the description box. And the app number 1 which you need to have on your phone is to stay updated with news, travel, information, lifestyle, stories, what is happening in day-to-day world. दुनिया में क्या हो रहा है, इतने सारे न्यूज़ को लेकर आता है ये app as a form of notification on your phone, and the app is Daily Hunt. Yes, Daily Hunt, a very very important app that you need to have on your phone. Daily Hunt पूरा information को एक platform पे लेके आता है, and it makes sure that you have things easier on the go. If you want to check world news, you can check world news. If you only want to check something very specific on travel, you can check travel creators, you can check food creators. So it is an app that gets you everything in one plate. You can also check us out 30 60 90. We are on the app as well, and definitely you can follow us on the app. Also, if you are a TikTok creator, TikTok तो ban हुआ अभी, you have obviously the Insta Reels, but also you have an app by Daily Hunt called Josh. Josh is an Indian made app for creators who can do reels, who can do comic timings, who can do vines, who can do shorter things, and the best part is you can get paid for it. Yes, if you're on Josh, you have Team Daily Hunt and Josh that could award you for the best content that can come on in Josh. जोश में जो कंटेंट आता है वो है रील्स. सो यू कैन डू रील्स, kind of मसालेदार video like you see what these guys are doing. Yeah, they are doing reels. ये reels कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर. So ये जो लोग reels कर रहे हैं ना, where they going to put it on? ये डालने वाले हैं जोश में. It's an Indian based app. So definitely Daily Hunt tops the list because this is a company that's doing a great job, and definitely you can also check us out on Daily Hunt 30 60 90. And before we end this, let me also tell you there are a lot of other hidden apps. बहुत सारे hidden apps हैं. For example, अगर आप एक party freak हो, if you're a party freak, आपका घर खाली है, you can host a party at your place. Yes, you can host a party at your place, and guess what? You can get paid for it. You will get sponsored for the entire house party. This is an app too, which is in a description box. It's called The Place. This is a startup app from India that pays you to host a party at your place. So you can check them out as well. And before we go, let me also tell you guys, these were the apps that we have given you information of. जो ये apps हैं जिसकी information हमने आपको दिया है is very important. You can have them. You can educate a lot of other people. आप बहुत सारे जनों को educate करवा सकते हो. Hope you guys have liked the video and hope you guys have liked Carl and Sahil. And trust me guys, these are the useful 7 apps that you need to have on your phone. And definitely our greatest actor is here with Carl and 30 60 90 sub